A writer once put it like this: I have never known anyone who was isolated, lonely, unconnected, had no deep relationships, yet had a meaningful and joy-filled life. You see, God, the creator of the universe, didn't create us to be isolated. When He made man, He made Adam. And Adam was in a perfect condition, yet God said, it's not good. Everything else was good, light to livestock. It was all good. But it wasn't good for Adam to be alone, so He created Eve. You see, God Himself cannot fill the void that human relationships can fill. So this Sunday in Friends class, we're going to discuss what an isolationist encounters. They're going to encounter lost perspective, fear of intimacy, selfishness, and even poor health. So join us with your favorite breakfast time drink. Room 202, Stoke Center, Central Baptist Church, 10 a.m. for Friends class.